Today for the VPAD press, and yes guys, we have mind-blowing news because the Vlaunch 2.0, the new platform, is just being released, and in this video guys, we will do a complete overview about that, but most important of all guys, we will go into how to claim your free NFT Magicraft from the Vlaunch platform into your MetaMask wallet on the right way guys, and launch it on OpenSea. So let's look into that. As you know guys, this was the platform just before the new platform came into place guys. I still didn't have refreshed yet guys, but let's look first into the old platform. So as you can see, this was the old platform guys. Not bad, was still looking nice. And now guys, let's refresh the page and see how the new platform is actually looking guys. Wow guys, insane. This looks actually really cool guys. So this is actually the new platform. As you can see here in the start guys, we have actually the Vlaunch logo where you can click on buy tokens, staking. So I will zoom here in, buy tokens, staking, projects, bridge, and DAO. This will be very important guys because I have something to mention for the DAO, but I will do it later on. Then we have here the dashboard guys, really looking nice. And then here you can actually see your Ethereum wallet and increase your stakes. Then here total VPAD staked guys, total value beneath it, and the average all-time high return on investments. So the first fully influenced launchpad, providing project with massive global exposure to boost performance guys. So this is also a complete new text guys. I love the text. Okay, then we have here live charts, buy VPAD. So if you want to buy VPAD, token address. So guys, for people that doesn't know what is the Ethereum token address for in their MetaMask wallet, so here guys, this is token address Ethereum, and then there underneath token address Binance. So if you click on one of both guys, then you will get to the right Ethereum wallet. Let's just show how that actually will go. So as you can see, once I click here, you directly see here on the right corner, right side here, the Ethereum wallet guys. And then if I go back to Vlaunch, then beneath it you have the Binance wallet. So if you click on the Binance wallet, token address with the Binance logo, then guys, here also on the right side, you have actually the Binance contract. So that is actually really easy, always nice to find it very fast back. Then here underneath it, supported chains. So we see all the supported chains that they work with. Then upcoming project. So the upcoming project, we actually will see it on that side. Launch project, these are actually the ones that already came, so launched actually, so you can still see them. So perfect. Upcoming NFT project, we can see it like here. And then here influencers backed. Let's look here. Okay, wow guys, this is going automatically right now, so you actually see it each time moving on. And then here you can actually see all. Let's look how many there actually is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 2 4 6 19 times 6 guys, that is like 114 15 16. So 116 influencers are there right now on their web page. So this is actually really nice guys. Okay, then let's go back here. If you click just here, you get actually to the main menu. Then here, if you go downstairs, so what do we have actually more? Status. Okay, you can actually see the yeah, that's the same status we see in the start. That status, you actually see it also here guys. Total VPAD staked and the total value and average all-time high. So this is actually twice, but actually the same. Then here about the first fully influenced backed Launchpad, providing project with massive global exposure to boost performance, influencers backed, fair and transparent. I think we should, this is actually really nice. Of course, I make, have a small, yeah, I would, it's not really complaint, but a very small complaint. I would, that actually they work more transparent actually. But I think this will happen, of course, in the future, guys. They are very busy, as you know. They have so many, such a big community and so much to do, actually, that, of course, guys, it's all going all fast. But I think very soon they will have more time, more people actually to hire, and then everything will get better communicated towards the community. Okay, guys, then as we can see here downstairs, our partners, so we actually can see all the partners here downstairs. So that's a lot of partners, actually, 2, 4, 6, 7, 14, 15 partners, guys. Exchanges, let's see how many, 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 exchanges already. So they are already listed on 7 exchanges based on the website information. And then, wow, guys, this is actually really nice. Calculate your IPI, VPAD to stake. So, guys, you can actually here calculate your IPI, VPAD to be staked. So here, if you say, let's say you want to stake about, let's say 1,000 VPADs. So, guys, then you see here on 5 years. So you can choose 5 years or less. Let's see 2 weeks. If you stake for 2 weeks, guys, then you only have an IPI of 25 on a yearly basis. So it means 259 VPADs, not after 2 weeks, but 1 year. So actually you will get receiving actually nothing after 2 weeks. And then if you choose 5 years, guys, every single year for the minute, you are receiving almost twice the amount of your initial staked VPAD, guys. So this is actually really insane. You're getting 1,942 VPADs every single year, guys. Of course, this can lower, but this is actually really, really nice, guys. So I love it. And then become a part of the Warriors and get insight on most exciting crypto project in the industry. Okay, so that's, oh, I love that logo, guys. Yeah. So that is actually for people that wants to list their project, because here you can see about your project. So guys, if you are a company and you are willing to list your company project, make sure, guys, here to go to Vlaunch, put your mail address, your name, your Telegram username, and then what your project is all about, and then submit project, guys. So this is actually really nice. Okay, so that's the website. For some reason, I don't see actually where the NFT is gone. So let's look here by projects. Maybe here we can see the NFT. Let's look here. So by project, live, upcoming, launch, and upcoming NFTs. If I click upcoming NFTs, guys, yes, we are seeing the upcoming NFT project. So really nice. So let's look, are we ready to actually claim it? Yes, in distribution phase. Let's view that and see how much that changed. Wow, guys, this looks much nicer than before, guys. So this is actually really huge. Before you could see it only on a smaller screen. So Binance, the views, amount of people watched it, but I think this is not updated yet. Release date. So here, then we have the release date, distribution ended. Release, distribution ended. That is really funny. So the distribution is already ended, standing here, but they're standing in distribution phase. Congratulations, please wait for the project to distribute all tokens to all buyers. When distribution ends, you can view your tokens and manage them in your dashboard. So if I go here to my dashboard, then let's look here. Yeah, so you can see the amount of VPADs. I have staked my VPAD power of 214,500. And then here actually you actually also can see that I almost actually earned my whole amount of VPADs back. I still didn't have claimed it yet, guys. But as you can see, in less than That's about 825, 703. So that's about 122 days, guys. So in 122 days means 4 months. I actually almost have earned my complete VPADs back. So this is actually really fast. Okay, so really nice, but let's look at once I have completely received it back, and then of course we will see what to do with it. But let's look here, guys. Then JPUNKS and Vlaunch. Okay, I still didn't have seen my NFT, so let's look here. Did I got it? Normally I should have it. So here when I move, yes, guys, I can see it here. Manage your NFT, guys. So really nice. Tokens for claim, 1 tokens claimable, 1 claim tokens. Okay, guys, I will claim that in the next video. So make sure to watch my following video because this video otherwise gets too long, guys. So guys, overall the VPAD platform looks insane, guys. We have a better Vlaunch platform. It's more organized. It's more it's bigger. It's much more colors, guys. So I love it a lot. Make sure, guys, to watch my next video because, guys, in my next video I will make how to claim your NFT Magicraft from the Vlaunch platform into your MetaMask wallet on the right way, guys, to not make any kind of mistakes while I am doing it myself, guys. And also, guys, we will make a video from your Vlaunch platform how to get it from your MetaMask wallet, how to connect it with OpenSea, so you're able to see which NFT you have become, and then of course you are open to or list it or just keep it till the next Bitcoin bull run, guys. You never know, maybe you are on an NFT that could be valued much more than anyone could expect today, guys. So thank you to watch my video till the end. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.